good. Okay, so coming to this, so we'll be going to see this. So percent comes from this Latin per cent. Okay, so the Latin word centum means 100. Okay, for example, a century is 100 years, right? So percentage అనేది లాటిన్ వర్డ్ నుంచి తీయబడి జరిగింది అనమాట. ఓకే, సో ఓకే, పర్సంటేజ్ బాగానే ఉంది, లాటిన్ వర్డ్ తీసారని చెప్పారు, కానీ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వీ కెన్ నో ఫ్రమ్ ది పర్సంటేజెస్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ గో టు ఎనీ ఎగ్జామ్, either it is banks, SSC, CGL, GATE. Okay, people are many people from GATE, right? ఏ ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళినా సరే పర్సంటేజ్ నుంచి గ్యారంటీ ఒక బిట్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ వెయిటేజ్. సో లెట్ అస్ సీ వాట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ ఇస్ పర్సంటేజ్ అలా. సో పర్సంటేజ్లోనే మనం కొంచెం లోతుకి వెళ్దాం. ఓకే, సో when we see percent, we really saying per 100. Okay na? So 1% మీన్స్ 1/100 అంటే ఇప్పుడు 100 బ్లాక్స్ తీసుకుంటే అందులో 1% అని అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ 100 1. ఓకే, సో యూ కెన్ సీ ద షేడెడ్ లైన్, ద గ్రీన్ లైన్. ఓకే, సో కమింగ్ టు ది నెక్స్ట్, we could see something like this, right? So 50% means 50 are per 100 అంటే సగం. Okay, it is half of the entire thing. What is 24% of 100? 24% అంటే ఇప్పుడు yeah, before going into it, I will be just giving you small examples అంతే. It's just small example అంతే. సో ఇప్పుడు ఒక పెద్ద పిజ్జా తీసుకుంటే మీ ఇంట్లో 4 people ఉంటే, if there are 4 people in a family, so what will do, you will do 4 parts. So the one part will be for you. It is 25%. But how? So we will be learning all these things. I'm just saying a really basic things now. But believe me, when you know this basic thing, you could go into advanced. We are going to learn so much today. So just try to have your pens, your books and everything with you guys. Okay. So example తీసుకుందాం. 100% అంటే holistic గా మొత్తం. ఇప్పుడు నేను 100% ఆఫ్ 80 అంటే 100% మొత్తం నువ్వు ఎంత తీసుకున్నా, 2 తీసుకున్నా 100% ఆఫ్ 2 అంటే 2. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ 5, వాట్ ఈస్ 100% ఆఫ్ 5 అంటే యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ద total, which means 5, entirely 5. Now you are saying 50%. Okay, 50% means the exactly half. Okay, exactly half and 50% on top. So if we take 40, the half of 50 is going to be 20, right? So yeah, so here I just gave a few examples like this. So it's about 5%. Okay, 5% అంటే ఏం చేస్తాం. Okay, we'll be learning this all in the next slides, but right now just try to understand 5% means 5 per 100, right? So 5%, so it will be per 100. So 5 by 100 into whatever the value is. So if I take 80, it's 80. So you can see on the screen that 5 by 100 into 80 is going to be 4 exactly. So if you are getting till now or not, just comment below so that I can see whether you guys get understanding or not. Okay, all right. So this time I'll be asking you questions. Now you have to answer me. Okay, I am taking a pizza. A percent can also be expressed as decimal fraction. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, leave that. So if I take a pizza, if I take it half, it is called 50%. If I am taking in decimal, it is 0.5%. 0.5. If we're taking a fraction, we call it as 1/2. Okay, so in the same way we are going to do so many things. Okay, after this I am going to share you few examples and then we will go into main part. Okay, advanced part. This is only a basic fundamentals. Okay, just for 5 to 10 minutes I'm just going to take about the basic fundamentals. So every person who are going to answer me these few examples, okay, this example I'm going to do, and from the next you guys can write. Okay, the first one is calculate 25% of 80. Okay, so 25% of 80. If you take 25% of 80, 25 by 100 into 80 is equal to be 20. So everyone can do this, right? So it's going to be really simple. Okay, so next question, it's going to be 15% of 200 apples are bad. How many apples are bad? So can anyone of you just answer in the chat box? Yeah, the question is really simple. 15%, there are 200 apples, out of which 15% are bad. So how many percent of apples are bad? I don't see any answers. Can you guys just type Wow, that's good. I could see it now. So many people wrote 30 apples. That's really good. Congratulations, Gautam, Silpa, Javji, Harini, and Navin. All that. That's good. So yeah, we are writing your names. You'll be getting good goodies, good few things. Okay. Yeah. So how? Okay, it's going to be really simple. 15% means 15 by 100 into 200. Okay, so we'll do it. So I'm not going to stick into this basics. If you don't know the basics, just let me know. Just ask comment below, so I will go into it. Or else I had really advanced level questions, so I don't have time to show them. But right now I'm just giving a glimpse. Okay, yeah, going ahead. So if only 10 of the 200 apples are bad, what percent is that? Once again I'm repeating, if only 10 apples of the 200 apples are bad, so what is this 10%, 10 apples percentage? Can someone of you just write it down? Okay, Gautam Reddy wrote 5, and any more? Okay, only Gautam Reddy. I couldn't. Okay, anyone else gonna say the answer? Okay, let us see the answer. Okay, many are giving. Silpa, Hari, Sunil, Hemant, Kumar. Okay, so 5% is correct. I don't know Hemant, like, okay, no worries. Okay, so 5% is correct. So how? So there are 10 apples out of 200 apples which are bad. So how to do it? So we are taking 10 apples out of how many apples per 200. Okay, so I'm using after this, okay, per 200, which will be 10 by 200 fraction will be 0.05. Okay, so if I take it as percentage, it's going to be simple. Just 10 by 200, 10 apples out of 200 apples into 100, which will be 5%. 5% of the apples are bad. Okay, final question for this entire thing. It's a basic, the PPT is basic. So after the basic thing, I will be going to advance. Okay, final question for this basic level is, a skateboard is reduced 25% in price in sale. The old price was $120. Find the new price. Okay, once again I'm repeating this question. A skateboard which is reduced 25% of its original price. So what is its exact price? The old price was $120. If it is old price was $120, what is the new price? It's, yeah. People, can you just comment? Okay, no one is commenting. I don't know. Yeah, Hari 90. Yeah, anyone else? So okay, Pandey, Navin Pandey 90. Yeah, that's good. And then oh, that's good. Shilpa is really good. $90. That's perfect. Okay, let us see. It's gonna be really simple. So basically, what we're gonna do is first 25% of $120. See, the skateboard here is reduced 25% in price in a sale. So basically, first take the older price. The older price here is $120. So let us take from this $120. Okay. So $120, 25%. So the 25% is some. If you guys know simply, it's 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 120 is going to be 30. Okay. So the reduction is $30. But here they ask the original price. So the reduction is 30%. $30. The original price what? So from the old price, if we take the $30, we get $90. That's it. You can see that on the screen, so that's not sharing. Okay, so the final thing for the entire basic level is calculation trick. Okay, so hope you guys can see it, right? Yeah, calculation trick. So it's a calculation trick, like, basic thing, but believe me or not, it's gonna help you many ways. Okay, so let us see. So this calculation trick is really simple. X percentage of y is equals to y percentage of x. It's like ultra and the same, right? So it's gonna be easy. So if you take 5% of 90 is equals to 90 of 5% of 5. Okay, 90% of 5. Okay, let us see. So if you take 8% of 50 is the same of the 50% of 8. Alright guys, till now we have been doing it. It's the basic thing. Now we are completed with this basic thing. Okay, so thank you for being till here. From now on we are going into advanced level. If you are beginners, just try to understand. I'm going to say you really slow from here onwards. even though you are advanced or beginners, I'll be just sharing the screen and I'll be saying. Okay, all right. So that's good for now. Let us move to next. Okay, hope you can see me percentages. Can you read what is on the screen? Just type it. Can someone type it so that I can know that my screen had changed? Yeah, what is on the screen? Just type it. All right, that's good. That's really good, guys. All right, percentage. So what do you think percentage is all about? See, till now I'm just sharing and sharing about percentage, that, this, right? So before going into further, let me just give you a glimpse about percentage. So till now, if you understand or not, no worries. From here, just try to put your brain. Okay, I'm going to say you shortcuts. These shortcuts can change your life. Just a minute. All right, sorry for that. Yeah, hope you can see me again. Okay, I'm going to use small shortcuts. See, you will go to market. So after going to market, some merchandise showroom, you went to buy shoes. Okay, some shoes. The shoes cost around 500 rupees. So he said 50% discount. So you will be getting it like, if the shopkeeper said it is 50% discount, you know it, that's it, 250 rupees. So but what if he says like it is 500 rupees, you are getting 47% discount? Oh man, what are you saying? Like, I just say 45% or 50%. Why are you saying 47%? Yeah, can someone say what is 45% of 500? See, this is where the percentage shortcuts comes in the picture. Okay, so we'll be learning some shortcuts. It's going to be really, luring and important. Okay, I know it will be tough, but for today I'll be just making the shortcuts and all this stuff. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, there we go. So let us see it now. Let us go into much basic to advanced level. So first thing first here, the thing that you need to remember here is that, let me take 5,000 rupees. Okay, it's an example. I went to some shopping mall. I went there and I got 5,000 rupees. Okay, so I thought of making 5,000 rupees as to work. Okay, so to calculate it, so let me give you some values here. So 10% is 1% is 1,000% is 0.1% is 0.0001% is 2.2% is 11% is 1.3%. Okay, these are the things that I'll be sharing. Okay, so let us see. So before going ahead, let us see for this value. Okay, so if I'm taking 100%, so 100% is, just try to remember whenever I say 100%, which means the full value, అంటే మొత్తం అన్నమాట, the total value. Okay, so it will be 5,000. Okay, so if I'm taking 10%, I know there is a basic elementary method, like you do like 10 by 100 into 5,000. So 0 0 can cancel, 0 0 can cancel. No, never do like this. 10%, which means you should know that it is 1 by 10. So that means 1 0 get cancelled and you're getting 500. Okay, these are the basic things that I'm going to share with you. Okay, so next thing is appearance. Okay, epi difference. Let me write one here. So what is meant by epi difference? So if I'm saying 1%, okay, what is 1% of 5,000? Can someone say me? Uh, just now I see the live chat. Okay, what is 1% of 5,000? All right, that's good. 50, 50. That's good. So simple. 1% means 1 by 100 into 5,000. So take zeros, we'll be getting 50. So you are not supposed to do like this. You need to know that APL difference, which means that by seeing it, you need to say that if I'm taking 10%, which means if you take 100%, one zero is reducing. So we need to reduce one zero here. Here, two zeros are reducing. So two zeros will be reduced here. In the same way, we will be going with one more 1000%. Okay. So can someone say me what's the value for 1000%? Yeah, for 1000%. Okay, that's good. Someone said me that it's gonna be 5. Yeah, no one wrote. Okay, so it's gonna be reverse 7. Just take 5000, and there is one more zero extra, right? Just write that extra zero here. I'm writing extra zero over here. That's it. It's gonna be 50,000. Okay, this is how we will take. Okay, so but there is something that I had told you earlier, right? So I'll be choosing this for with this 5000. Okay, let us do for these things. Let me write 5000 here, and for 5000 10%. You need to guys be fast. Yeah, that's good. I think the net is no, there's some delay, so that I couldn't hear you properly. Like the typing is slow. Okay, no worries. So let me go a little bit fast here, and then we can go to the rest. Okay. So you guys can do it as a homework. I don't want to say you these things, but with in this view, I'll be saying you. Okay, shortcuts. Okay, shortcuts. The main thing is shortcut. So if I'm taking here 0.00001%. So what is the value? Can someone say me that? Yeah. So it's going to be really simple. Let me say you the answer. So first take for what is for 1%. We all know, as I told you before, for 1% it will be, we need to remove two zeros. So it will be 50, right? So just count here how many after the decimal, how many are there. So I can count here, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 values. Okay. In the same way, what we're gonna do is here. So for 1% it is 50, and for just a minute, yeah. So for 1% it is 50. For 5 decimals, what it's gonna be? It's gonna be really simple. Just you need to count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. You are supposed to do like this. You need to just put the value here. Okay. Totally there should be 5. That's it. If you take anything like that, okay, a name. If you take like 0.03%, it's going to be really simple. The first thing that you're going to do here is just go with 1%. For 1% it is 50. Yeah. Into 3, 1% 3 is going to be 150. Here there are two decimals. You can just see that two decimals. Two decimals. So 150 is already there. So what are you going to do? Just count from back. Okay. 1, 5, 0, 1, 2. So it's going to be 1.5. Okay, this is really simple, right? So if you want to do it properly in a systematic way, you'll be getting like 0.03 by 100, yeah, into 5000. If you do it like this, it will take time, like 0 0 skip cancel, 5 is 15, so blah blah blah, you can, but it's like, it's really simple, right? You can do it in the brain also. Okay, so that's the reason I'm just sharing you all this stuff. Okay, before going into sums in the problems, let us do it fast, quick. 11%. So to take 11%, the value will be 10%. You can just do it like this: 10% plus 1%. So the value for 10%, we all know that we will just remove one zero out of 5000. So we'll be getting 500. We also know 1%. We need to remove two zeros, which will be 50. So the value for 11% is 550. Okay, so finally I don't want to waste your time or else my time also. So finally I want to do one more and I want to leave. Okay, quickly. So final question is 1.23%. Someone of you can do it while I'm doing it on the screen. Okay, that's it. Shilpa, Gautam Reddy, Nagar, Shuna fans, Naveen, Hemant. Thank you all. That's really good. That's you are doing really good. All right. So let's go with this question. So if you could do it, it's really well. 1.23% for 5,000. So if you want to do, or else listen to me. See, what I will do is here there is 100, right? 100%. I know that 100% value is always be 5,000, and there is also 23%. I don't want to take any chances, so I'll take 20%. I know 10% value is 500. 10 plus 10 is 20, so 500 plus 500 will be 1000. Okay, finally there is 3%. I already did 3% here, so the 3% will be 3 into 1%. Okay, so here 3 into 1% is, we know that before 1% is 50, right? So it's going to be 150. So just add all these things, you'll be getting this value 6150. That's it. 6150. All right. So there we go, guys. So this is all about this percentages and the these things. Okay. So let us move to the next thing about calculation part. Okay. So there are few things that I want to teach you guys. So you guys can just uh, okay, let me write this on screen so you can, someone of you just who can do it faster, you guys can do it while I'm teaching. Okay, so the second thing, okay, okay, so meanwhile you guys do, or else I will do. So you can 19% of 6,500. So the answer is gonna be really simple. If you guys can, yeah, that's good. Gautam had given 61.5, but yeah, let's see. So 20% of 6,500 is gonna be just, it's gonna be really simple, right? 10% is, you will remove a one zero, right? So it's gonna be like this. So 650, 20% will be 650 plus 650, it will be 1300. And the 1%, we need to remove 1%. Let us take 1%. So if I take 1%, we need to remove 1%. So the 1% is 65. So if I remove it, I'll be getting 135. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, let us see 31% of 4,900. So first we need to take 30% of 4,900. It's gonna be 10% is 49. 49 threes 1470, and 1%, 1%, let us take also for the 1%. 1% is 49. If I add on this, I'll be getting 1519. Okay, so hope you guys, yeah, that's good. Gautam, Shilpa, Hemant, you guys are really good. So yeah, so with this I'm gonna complete this today. So I got few works. There's a small medical emergency, I need to move now. So I got actually so much to teach you guys, but I'll be teaching you tomorrow. I did so much of slides for you guys, so many questions, so many answers, so many things, but let me teach you tomorrow. I got small medical emergency, I need to move now. Okay, so with this I'm completing. Thank you, we'll meet you tomorrow. Sorry for the disturbance, and God bless.